Even though I travel super light, there are a few tools that I bring with me on nearly every trip that can fit in the palm of my hand.
Hi, I'm Christina. I offer travel tips and tricks for women over 50 because I'm not done exploring.
So on every trip, I bring a pair of folding sewing scissors with me. I don't know about you, but have you ever tried to open up like a honey packet or some packaging that doesn't have a good tear on it? I have found these super useful to open up food packets or medicine packets, and or just cutting a loose thread or something like that. So these actually came in a Fiskars sewing kit from Amazon, and I just took I just used part of the sewing kit, and I take the scissors out and just use those. These have never been flagged by TSA. I've never been, questioned about them, and they fold up to so small that they can fit into any kind of purse or pouch. And the second tool I bring with me is a tiny foldable spork. This one is by humangear. And I've had several sporks in the past, longer ones. I also had a metal one that I used in Colombia, and it was so great for like cutting into coconut and eating coconut. But it was taken away by Colombia's TSA, so because it was metal. So I got a plastic one. This one, you just kind of push it and it folds, and is super small and can fit in the palm of your hand. I really like this one for just random picnics or ice cream. I was in when I was in Panama, I had some ice cream outside, and the tiny little spoons they give you wasn't enough, so I whipped out my handy spork. And the third item is a tiny little shopping bag. Look at the size of this thing. I'm just amazed by it. I keep one in my regular purse, and I keep one for travel. And this is the one for travel because it's basic black and goes with everything. It's by a company called SYZY. SYZY. I know there's a couple of brand names. This is, just a kind of a knockoff one, but it's really great. It's super small. It pulls out. And I'm not sure how many liters it is, but it's big enough to, do a small shopping trip or carry a jacket or extra something. And it has two handles at the top, and then it has a shoulder strap. So it's super handy. I love that it just fits in the palm of your hand. And I actually will attach it to an outside part of my bag and just use it for grocery shopping or going to the gym, carrying gym equipment or something. So super handy little item to have. And number 4 is this cute little guy. I think you can see that it has a little has a little kiwi on it. This is a folding fan from Daiso, the Japanese store. You can find them in various cities, Daiso. They're just like tiny little folding fans that pop out. And they're so great for, a hot flight, or I used it on a bus in Panama City. Even though it was outside, it was super hot out. So it's just really nice just to have a little extra bit of air. And number 5, I bet you're wondering what this is. This is a table leg or chair leg stabilizer. You stick it under a table or chair leg to stop it from wiggling. And my curse in life is to have a wiggly table. Every single place we go, every single restaurant, I get a wiggly table. So having one of these is super handy. It comes in a packet of like 10 or something, but you can just, carry 1 or 2. And they're super lightweight. They do have brand names like Stable Table, but this is just a knockoff brand. So super lightweight, easy to carry around, and save some frustration. So those are 5 tiny little tools that fit in the palm of your hand. Hopefully you found this helpful, and let's keep exploring. I always have a hard time folding these things back in again. I know you twist them. There you go. There it goes. Yay.